EH.
No, because we have a lot of alarms there in that header, but it's almost the same one. If you see, if you
Yeah,
go to the
same like
main
this
ID,
one. 03
yeah,
and 04 is
it's the
same.
same only. It's a
Yeah.
redundant alarm actually.
Yes, yes, true. This PL is same. Different transmitter,
High,
same.
right?
Yeah. One is high, one is low. So we have
Yeah.
seen high here, we have seen low here. So this is same thing.
High and low also. If you see the pin ID, right? It's both in here, right?
Yes, both. High low. This is also high low. This is the 04, this is 03. So it's a typical, you can say.
And the location is in the same header only.
Yes, yes. If you want to copy paste, I can copy paste, but no need. No need.
Right,
So
just
we will see only unique one.
right?
No, need, because we are saying the typical one. Here, if you see this column, we are only reviewing the unique one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure the alarm related to the control loop. Do really with already require operator alert or something like that, because typical functions. I get confused.
No, see, the only thing is when there is an alarm, of course, the operator needs to do something. Whether he do,
Yes.
do something or not, but he will be alerted.
Yes, true.
So, this alarm is happening.
It is, but it's just set point for the control loop for valve. It's got low or high. This is what the size out of the control function.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes. Just I want to, brief you the what operator can do, and this operator action required making process changes by manipulating the control system, requesting other to make some changes in the process control system. These are the likely actions of operator when they get alarm.
Okay, yeah.
Create, maintenance, and correctivation or investigate. So normally we will go for investigation. If unless there is some recommendation, something, so there is a making process change and all this thing. Okay, guys. So now with this,
part of the root cause, shall I take a credit for the alarm?
No,
Because now we consider that failure of control loop driving fully open or fully closed.
see, yes.
So what?
Okay.
Now my question, Mr. Chairman,
I think
like we discussed yesterday, if the alarm linked to the control loop, while the control loop is a root cause of the high pressure or low pressure, shall I take a credit for this alarm? Like we discussed yesterday?
No, we concluded yesterday that when there is a alarm on high pressure, low pressure, so see, low pressure can happen. We will not say control loop failure. We will not say control loop failure.